So in Canva, I have this logo here. It's an electrician logo, and these are the color numbers. I like to start with a logo just to get the colors looking good. And then the next thing, I go into Webflow, and inside of Webflow I go to these swatches, and I make sure that all these swatches have the correct colors. So I just get these numbers and I bring them over here and I put in the correct values for these numbers. So as I'm bringing in the elements, I'll show you, like if I'm bringing in a nav bar. See, the nav bar already has the colors set up. So when I bring in the logo, I could bring in the logo here. And put it here, put it above. I'm going to take it outside, and I'm going to grab this element. Grab everything in there, and just delete it. Don't need it. Don't need it. And I'm going to drag the image, bring it into here. And let's bring it up a little bit. Oh. Make sure it's fixed right. So our logo's a little bit big. And it needs a little bit of padding. So I come in here, add a little bit. And now we got us a nice logo. And everything has its colors, the branding colors. And the next thing I want to do is bring in some type of footer. I have different types of elements I can use. How about this one? Got the colors there. I don't like this, and I don't like this or this. It's a nice picture, but we need to bring in some copy. Digital marketing service for electricians. And then we can have a demo. We can hook up a video here. Need to put in another picture. So I'm going to go over to Envato. Usually I would like to get some, I like this one. Download. Let's grab this image. Grab this image and bring it in. Oh, that's a big image. This image is too big. So what we do next is put a tiny PNG. And I use this to optimize pictures. So I can bring in that image. It's way too big. Oh man, it's so big. I'm gonna have to bring it into Photoshop and size it down. So I'm in Photoshop right now. I know you can't see it because it's off to the side, but I'm going to go to the image size, which is giant, bring it down to about 1200. Export this as a PNG, and I'll put it in downloads for now. Alright, now I can bring in this picture. Okay, I'm going to bring this picture in and see, it'll take it from 3 megabytes down to 814 kilobytes. And this just makes it to where you can, it'll speed up your website. It'll make it faster. Okay. So now I have that in downloads. The new image, which is a nice size. I could drag it in here. See, and bring it in here. I'm going to replace this image with this image. I'm going to replace with this. All right. Now we got us a good electrician image in there, looking sharp. Now the next thing we want to do is we have navbar. You know, we have a hero with a demo and stuff. We could put a nice video in here. So like when they click on this, it'll bring up a video. See how that works? I can bring my video in here. I just made this video this morning, kind of explaining my services. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into this button here, and then I'm going to see what it's linked to. It's linked to this. I want to change it to my video. I would suggest you make a video explaining your businesses and services, products and services. So now when someone comes in here, they can click on this. It'll go to my video.
Hi, my name is Lance, and I'm with dadspaydads.com, and we are here to grow your business.
See? Then you can put this into a sign-up form, and you can hook up the sign-up forms to a service where you can start collecting names and emails and phone numbers, and you can start marketing to them that way, like a sign-up thing for like a CRM. Easy to do. Let's see what we do next. Next, I got a hero section. How about let's put in a what do you think? Like services? I mean, you can always put in something with all the companies that you worked with. You know, I worked with this company, this company, this company. Let's try putting in what our services could be. How about this? Okay. And, you know, this can be replaced with something, but this, let's put in some services. Let's, you know, what can Dad's Paid Ads do for you? Put like how about a free 15-minute strategy session? We don't need this, so maybe we'll just take that out. We'll take this out. You know, book session. And then you could hook that up to a calendar link or something. you know. I can talk about the services that we provide. How about, let's do web design. We can do SEO. Put in some web design features. We can do, put in something like this. We can work on how this looks. PPC, pay per click, media. Works good. Content marketing, making stuff like this. Videos. On average, most companies have to have like 7 touches before they even see them. Get started, learn more. Maybe we can do the, book a session again. See how that works? It's looking good. Maybe we can replace this with the logo. Let's see what happens. I don't like that. Gotta find something else. Okay. That's looking good. What else can we put in there? So these are all kind of pre-built things. Put in a footer. Let's spell out one more thing. It's not that hard to do, really. This takes time. You can put in a feature thing here. Cutting edge features. What all the different things you do. And you can link these out to all your different types of services, different types of resources. See, it's already, your blog, your services, your products and services. You can see pretty quickly we're developing a nice website, and it's also mobile friendly. So you can see as it might need to be tweaking here and there, but overall it looks great on mobile as well. And that's just kind of the basics of building out the website. There's a lot more to it where you can come into the page body, and then you start doing SEO on it. This is for search engine. You can give it title tags, meta descriptions, add some images in there. This is all SEO, but you want to do some basic SEO just to where it shows up in Google search and looks good. So yeah, digital marketing service for electricians. You can build this out. You can add some social. Add let me see what else we got here. Contact session. Yeah, you can put in a nice form. Get in touch with us. I don't like how that went in there. Let's do this. Footers, nav bars, contact forms, call to actions. You can put some pricing in there. Let's see what this looks like. Help hundreds of companies. This is a nice looking slider bar. Add some new colors, add some pictures in there. That looks great. There's just so many combinations you can do. It just depends on your company, what services you have. You know. Let's put in a footer. That's a nice footer. See? Nice footer. Put in our logo again. Looking good. You can hook up your social. You know, find you on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can do Facebook ads and drive them to your page. We can pixel out the page, so you can retarget them when they visit your page. You can run ads on Facebook and Instagram, and LinkedIn and Twitter. Run Google ads to your page, products and services. It's kind of fun what you can do, you know. Well, that's I just want to show you a little bit of my process on how I develop websites. You can make them from scratch, customize it to your liking, and you know, if you're an electrician, you got to have a website. You have to have a good website, one that's fast and mobile friendly. You need help with this? Just DM me. Go to Dad's Paid Ads, check it out, fill out the form.